Good evening. What's your name? Alright, Leo, how old are you? How are you? Where are you from? So now tell me what's your favorite drink? What's your favorite food? How about, do you like orange juice? Do you like sandwich? Could you tell me the 3 foods that you know? Apple, pizza, mango. How about tell me the 3 drinks that you know? Watermelon juice. Alright, that's it. Chabeo. Alright.
Scene.
Shane,
Ready?
it's your turn.
Hurry up.
Does he need to keep the copy or I will get it? Shane, give me the copy. Shane, you didn't write anything, huh?